Okay, let's look at how to change the battery in an in-the-ear hearing aid. Each hearing aid will have what we call a battery door. You can see the battery door here on the surface of this hearing aid, and it's got a little lever. Put your fingernail under that lever and use that to open the battery door. Once you have the battery door open, to remove the battery, you can just lift it out. For some people who have larger fingers or may have arthritis, the hearing aids can be a little tricky to work with because they are very tiny. And sometimes people, you can get little devices that have a magnet on the end of them, and that just lifts the hearing aid battery out for you. Now, to put the hearing aid battery, you need to get the battery in the correct orientation. Okay, all hearing aid batteries are pill-shaped. And if you look at one side of the battery, you'll see a plus sign. On the other side of the battery, you'll see a ring. If you look on the battery door, you'll see a plus sign etched in the battery door. Some hearing aid battery doors have it marked in color, and some it's just etched into the battery door. For this hearing aid, the battery door helps determine the orientation of the hearing aid. If you look at this battery door, there's a small ridge on the bottom of the battery door. That ridge is designed to accommodate the ring that's on the bottom of the battery. So that helps me know that the ring slides into that ridge. Then you close the door, and you need to make sure that the door is closed securely because that will generally activate the hearing aid.